Every morning, many older adults start their day with a cup of coffee, but not just any coffee. With just a few natural ingredients added in that same cup can turn into a powerful tonic for your body after 60. Many of my patients used to tell me, coffee just helps me stay awake. But the truth is, when combined the right way, it can reduce inflammation, rebuild muscles, sharpen memory, and even help you feel younger each day. In today's video, I'll share 10 natural powders you can stir right into your morning coffee. These ingredients are simple, science-backed, completely safe, and surprisingly effective. Stay with me until the end, because the final powder can increase muscle strength by over 40% in just a few weeks. 1 cup of coffee could truly transform how you age. But before we begin, let me ask you, how old are you? Where are you watching from? Do you ever add anything to your coffee? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to chat with you there. Now let's start with powder number 10, beetroot powder. It might sound simple, but beetroot powder is one of nature's most underrated youth boosters. Beets contain natural nitrates that turn into nitric oxide inside your body, a powerful molecule that naturally lowers blood pressure, widens blood vessels, boosts circulation, and helps deliver oxygen to every cell. In other words, it helps your blood flow more smoothly, your heart work more efficiently, and your muscles get more energy. When paired with caffeine in coffee, you get a dual-engine, steady energy, a stronger heart, and a clearer mind. I remember one of my patients, Arthur, age 71. He had to stop jogging because he was always short of breath. I suggested he add a spoonful of beetroot powder to his morning coffee. Just a few weeks later, he was not only running again, he said he felt 10 years younger. Science confirms this too. Even a small spoonful of beetroot powder a day can boost muscle performance by up to 20%, especially for those over 60. No expensive drugs, just a teaspoon of beetroot powder quietly nourishing every blood vessel and every cell in your body. And now for 9, lion's mane mushroom, what I like to call the white gold of the brain. This unique mushroom has been praised by research institutes across the U.S. for its remarkable effects on the brain. It contains compounds called hericenones and erinacines, which help stimulate the growth and repair of nerve cells, improving memory, focus, and mood. Studies show that when combined with caffeine, lion's mane helps you stay alert and clear-headed all morning without the jitters or crash of regular coffee. I often recommend it to my patients over 60, especially those struggling with forgetfulness, poor sleep, or low mood. Start with just half a teaspoon each morning, and you'll notice the difference in mental clarity and calm energy. I remember Mrs. Evelyn, 68 years old, telling me she once forgot where she'd put her keys. After just 3 weeks of using lion's mane, she said, "Doctor, my mind feels clear again, and I'm sleeping better than ever." Aging may slow the body down, but the brain still has the power to renew itself if you give it the chance. This isn't medicine, it's nature's gift to the mind, helping you stay sharp and focused no matter your age. 8. Cinnamon powder. If you asked me which small spice could truly change your health after 60, I'd say without hesitation, Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. It's a natural gift that helps stabilize blood sugar and protect your muscles every single day. Every time your blood sugar spikes, your body releases insulin to bring it back down. But when insulin levels swing too much, your muscles stop absorbing energy efficiently. Over time, that leads to fatigue, weakness, and muscle loss. A tiny pinch of cinnamon in your morning coffee can do wonders. It slows sugar absorption, keeps your energy steady all morning, and prevents that mid-afternoon crash. I remember a patient, Mr. John, age 68. He told me that after just 3 weeks of adding cinnamon to his coffee, he no longer felt sleepy after lunch, and his legs felt stronger when climbing stairs. No sugar, no sweet cream, just a sprinkle of cinnamon, and you've turned your coffee into a muscle and heart-protecting drink that's simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. 7. Collagen. Collagen is like the glue of life. It holds together your muscles, joints, bones, and even your skin. After 60, your natural collagen levels drop by nearly 1% every year. Most of us can feel it. Knees start to creak, shoulders stiffen, skin loses elasticity, muscles weaken, and joints ache more often. The good news, you can help your body rebuild that foundation. Just 1 scoop of collagen powder in your morning coffee is enough to provide your body the raw material it needs to regenerate cartilage, nourish joints, and strengthen bones. One of my patients, Robert, 70 years old, loved gardening but couldn't kneel anymore because of knee pain. 2 months after adding collagen to his coffee, he told me, "Doctor, I can finally bend down and touch the soil again without any pain." To me, collagen is nature's insurance policy for your muscles, bones, and joints. Because when you strengthen your body from within, you don't just move more easily, you start to feel the youthful energy returning one day at a time. Turn 6. Whey protein powder. After 60, our bodies start developing what's called protein resistance, meaning that even if you eat enough protein, your muscles don't absorb it as efficiently. That's why I always recommend whey protein, a pure high-quality protein rich in leucine, an amino acid that acts like a switch to turn on muscle-building mode. Just 1 scoop mixed into your morning coffee provides about 20 grams of easily absorbed protein with no sugar, helping prevent muscle loss, improve balance, and increase endurance throughout the day. Most importantly, it reduces the risk of falls. I remember Mrs. Helen, 67 years old, who once told me, "I just want to carry my grocery bag without feeling my arms give out." After 3 weeks of adding whey protein to her morning coffee, she came back smiling. "Doctor, I did it, and I can even climb stairs without holding the rail now." Don't think protein is just for athletes. After 60, it becomes your fuel for independence, strength, and confidence. Let whey protein be the energy source that helps your body rebuild its power from within. Before we move on, if you find this video helpful, please support me by liking and subscribing, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss any of these simple yet powerful health tips. 5. Cacao powder. Next up is what I like to call chocolate for your health, pure cacao powder. Most people think cacao is just for desserts or sweets, but in modern nutritional medicine, it's considered one of the top superfoods for heart and blood health, especially for those over 60. Cacao is packed with flavonols, natural compounds that help your blood vessels relax, reduce inflammation, and improve oxygen delivery to your muscles and brain. When combined with caffeine from coffee, you get a powerful duo. Caffeine sharpens focus, while cacao enhances circulation and keeps your energy steady and calm. The result, you feel more alert, lighter on your feet, and far less fatigued throughout the morning. One of my patients, Evelyn, age 72, told me her legs used to feel heavy every morning, like she was walking with weights. I suggested she add a teaspoon of pure, unsweetened cacao powder to her coffee each day. 2 weeks later, she came back saying, "Doctor, I walked this morning and didn't feel tired. It's like my blood is finally flowing again." Just a small change, but cacao helped reopen her body's energy pathways as if she were awakening her inner vitality all over again. 4. Coconut oil or MCT oil after 60. Many people tell me they feel like their fire is fading. They tire easily, forget more often, and struggle to focus even with enough sleep. The reason is simple: your brain and muscles are running low on steady energy. That's where coconut oil or MCT oil comes in. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, a type of healthy fat found in coconut oil. Unlike regular fats, MCTs are absorbed immediately and converted into ketones, a clean, long-lasting fuel for both your brain and muscles. They don't raise blood sugar or cause fat gain. I have a patient, Harold, 69 years old, who always said that by 10 a.m. he needed something sweet just to stay awake. I advised him to add 1 small spoon of MCT oil to his morning coffee. A week later, he came back with a big smile and said, "Doctor, for the first time I felt energized all morning without needing anything sweet." That's what I love about MCT oil. It doesn't just keep your energy and focus steady all day, it also helps you feel lighter, clearer, and more in control of your own body. If you want to boost memory burn belly fat and maintain stable energy throughout the day, MCT oil is truly the secret to lasting vitality, all inside your morning cup of coffee. Hubbard 3. Chia seed powder. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with protein, omega-3s, and fiber, all essential for those over 60. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and protect the joints. Fiber supports digestion and blood sugar control, and protein helps maintain muscle mass and stamina. When ground and stirred into hot coffee, chia seeds create a smooth, light texture that's easy to drink, delicious and nutrient-rich. I remember Mr. George, 70 years old, who came to me complaining of stiff joints and sluggish digestion. I told him to grind chia seeds and mix them into his morning coffee each day. 3 weeks later, he returned, smiling, saying, "Doctor, I feel like I've been oiled up. My body moves so much more smoothly now." And that's exactly what chia does. It lubricates your joints, fuels your muscles, and soothes the silent inflammation within your body. Milk or soy milk? Many people believe black coffee is the healthiest choice. But for adults over 60, I often say, sometimes a little milk is exactly what your body needs. Adding milk or soy milk doesn't just soften the taste. It also provides high-quality protein and calcium, essential for maintaining muscle and bone strength as aging gradually takes both away. Just half a cup each morning can help prevent muscle loss, strengthen your joints and bones, and improve recovery after a night's rest. If you're lactose intolerant, go for soy milk or calcium-fortified oat milk. Both are heart-friendly and easy to digest. I remember Mrs. Dolores, 72 years old, who had been drinking black coffee for years, thinking milk would ruin the effect. But soon she began to feel weaker, her bones more fragile, and walking became harder. I suggested she add soy milk to her coffee every morning. 2 months later, she told me, "I feel stronger now. I can climb the stairs without my legs shaking." That story reminded me that true strength in old age doesn't come from supplements. It comes from the small choices we make every day. And sometimes just a splash of milk in your coffee is enough to nourish your vitality and restore your inner strength. 1. Turmeric and black pepper, the power duo. If there's one combination I absolutely trust for health after 60, it's turmeric and black pepper. 2 simple ingredients, yet when combined, they form one of nature's most powerful natural remedies against inflammation and aging. Inside turmeric lies a golden compound called curcumin, known for its ability to reduce inflammation, protect cells, and support memory. But here's something most people don't know. Curcumin is very hard for the body to absorb on its own. That's why, when you add just a pinch of black pepper, the piperine in it boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, turning it from a simple spice into a powerful natural supplement. I once had a patient, Mr. Satoshi, age 73, who had suffered from knee pain for years. I suggested he add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to his morning coffee. 3 weeks later, he told me, "Doctor, I can garden again, and the pain is gone." Turmeric and black pepper don't just fight inflammation or relieve pain, they help nourish flexibility, sharpen memory, and restore inner vitality, keeping your body moving gracefully as if age never caught up. After many years of working with older adults, I've realized one truth: aging isn't the enemy, it's a reminder to care for your body the right way. A simple morning cup of coffee might seem ordinary, but when you mix in the right natural ingredients, it can become a daily ritual of renewal, restoring your strength, your memory, and your zest for life. You don't need a big transformation. Just one small morning habit, drawn from the gifts of nature, is enough for your body to remember how to heal itself. Because truly, each cup of coffee is a choice to weaken or to revive. So choose revival. If this video helped, you don't forget to like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Daily Wellness Journey, so together we can age gracefully, powerfully, and freely, one day at a time.